What's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video, and today it's an interesting one because we have a new camera to test. I am currently using the Insta360 1R with the 1-inch mod and I treat this camera as a brand new camera because this sensor in collaboration with Leica is something that has been circulating for a few months now, and I've been wanting to get my hands on this 1-inch sensor for the 1R. I am extremely excited to check out this camera, and in today's video I will be filming only on this camera. And as you might be aware, I like to put my cameras on my FPV drones, so we'll test that. Hopefully the results will be good enough. I have a nice mount for this 1-inch sensor, so hopefully there will not be any vibrations or jello, but we'll find out later in today's video. So I am pretty excited about this 5.3K 30 frames per second action camera. It looks pretty impressive, and spec-wise it looks very interesting as well. So I cannot wait to test it out. It's my first ever time filming with it, so I am definitely very excited to see how it's going to look like. I am shooting in lock color profile. I am going to show you how the footage looks like when it's color graded as well. But anyway, I'm mostly interested to see how the camera footage will look like when I put this camera on my drone. So hopefully there won't be any crashes today. Wish me luck, and let's find out.
You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of. You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of. You show me how to dare to love.
So what do you think about the footage from the Insta360 1R 1-inch edition? I still haven't seen the footage obviously, so I'm interested to hear back from you guys. What do you think about it? And I wanted to let you know that Insta360 is currently holding a massive campaign for the end of the summer. They're putting out a lot of discounts for the 1R cameras and also for the Insta360 Go, which is one of my favorite compact cameras I've ever tried. So grab yourself a deal, make sure you click on the link in the description, check out the deals on Insta360's website, and don't forget to like the video, Drop a comment with what do you think about Insta360. Do you like Insta360's colors, stabilization, the way the footage looks like on the FPV drone? And stay tuned, I will be testing this camera a little bit more in different scenarios, maybe taking it on something that is a bit more action related, but on the ground, not in the sky. So plenty more tests to do with this camera. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you very soon. Bye bye.